your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you,
Ate Bell, mega love shout out to you, Ate Bell. Kamusta po ang buhay-buhay dyan?
forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do.
Thank you very much, Ate Bell, ha, sa iyong pagbisita dyan dito sa akin. Kanina pa dapat ako, I just did a lot of relive yung live end. Kasi, naiinis kasi ako. Naiinis talaga ako, as in, super nakakainis. It's pissing me off, really. Kasi ganito ang kwento. Wait lang ah. Kasi ang kwento niyan, BG lang Kuya Dami ko. Ay, sige, no problem. Ang kwento kasi niyan, kasi I was really trying to do this vertical streaming. Hindi ko alam ba't di ko ma-setup dito sa buisit na stream elements na to. Wait lang, naririnig nyo ba ako?
Look like an honest copy paste. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like
Yan. Yan, naririnig naman.
thinking of taking a break.
Ayun, that's the story. So yung mga kanina nagpunta siguro akala nila hindi na ako nag-live ulit. Sana bumalik sila. Di ba? Laya Nature Toys. Laya! How are you, Laya?
I've been prioritized.
Tapos I can't get this chat working. I don't understand this. Why is this like this?
It's just a self-reviving
Mega love shout out June Zat Mayor. Mega love shout out to you, sir.
the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero. Thinking of taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better. Oh no. So spit it out to my face. It's okay. I've been busy working late, unrehearsed in my face, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay. There is no one else to blame.
Hindi ko makakonect yung aking chat buisit.
My face, it's okay.
How will I do this? I don't understand it.
It's alright, it's
Okay, that's good to know, Laya.
to blame. I'm busy loving myself.
did you sort out your TikTok account? Still haven't because I don't know. I cannot access the email that I have there. And I just don't I need to find time to do it. Hopefully I can get it fixed soon. Malit ba ako? Ayan, malaki-laki na. Sino na andyan? Oy, thank you very much. Don't forget to I followed you. Try setting up new email address. Yeah, I saw your I saw that you followed me through the notification, but I can't seem to get inside TikTok. I don't understand. I'll try to sort it out. I'm just too lazy to do it because I don't use TikTok actually. I don't use TikTok that often. So that's why. But let me find time to do it. Now what? Kasi nga, I'm just trying to set up my vertical streaming. I can't seem to get it. I don't understand. That's why I changed I need to redo my background and this and that. So that's why it took a lot of time for me to go on live. I was supposed to go live 2 hours ago. And then dinner comes. So I just finished my dinner. And here we are now. Ana Fonzie, kamusta ka po, ma'am? Tapos na, hindi ka ba napagod, ma'am? Mukhang pagod. Mukhang ang saya-saya mo naman. Napatambay na ako sa inang gusto eh. Hindi, pero kasi hindi ko ma-set up yung vertical streaming ko. I want to do vertical streaming kasi. Tapos biglang nagiging ganito. Gusto ko yung video. Minadali ko na yan kasi it was supposed to be vertical background dapat. Yun yung nakaset up sa akin kanina. But ayaw mag-vertical nitong stream elements na to. I don't know. Naiinis ako. I don't understand it. I don't get it. Why? Ayaw. 7 hours live kung may clip pa yan. May clip pa ba yun? Sa totoo lang, na-try ko na yung 11 hours na streaming. Na lang gito puro ngaw-ngaw lang, walang kanta-kanta. Puro salita-salita lang. Pero, kasi people come and go, diba? Syempre, they need to do something. Yung iba nakatulog na, nagising na, andun pa rin ako naka-live because I did 11 hours. 11 hours ba? Yeah, 11 hours. I did 11 hours na live. Pero walang kanta-kanta yun. Puro ganto-ganto lang. Puro pakit-pakit lang. Yesterday I did 4 plus hours. 4 and a half hours na diretso lang. As in, walang kwento. Kasi pag ako nasimulan ko kumanda, syempre kung ano yung next song na makikita mo, ang ginagawa ko kasi, di ba? Wala naman akong playlist eh. So kung ano lang yung alam kong kakantahin ko. So whatever I know from yung recommendation, yun yung kinakanta ko. Natawa ako dun sa sinasabi ni sabi niya. Kasi hindi ko naman talaga alam yung mga kantang yun. I don't know kung saan yung napapakinggan nyo, sa radyo ba? I don't know, there's special may sa Spotify ba or hinahanap nyo ba yun? Kasi sabagay, matagal na akong hindi nakakarinig ng kanta sa radyo. Tapos yun, narinig ko, sabi, saan natututunan to mga to? Bakit sila ang dami nilang alam na kantang ganyan? Kasi ang alam ko yung mga kanta, yung mga dating kanta lang. At saka a little bit of bago. Pero mostly mga luma. Yun lang alam mo kanta. Nag-dinner ka na? Dinner ka na muna kaya? Oras na ba? Oy, 5 pa lang pala dyan. Wala din ako playlist. Mga requests. That's right. Oo nga, I like that exchange of heart thing. Bagay sa'yo. Pwede kong kantahin sa iyo yan pag natutunan ko. Kinilig na naman si Pau Tupit. Pero yung isa, maganda rin naman. Maganda rin naman. Kaya lang, hindi siya pang lalaki. Kanta yun sa lalaki, di ba? Tama ba? Tama, di ba? Kanta sa lalaki, hindi kanta sa babae.
My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out.
Bagay sa akin. Alin yung pangalawa? Oo, bagay nga sa'yo. Kung kanino mo mang kantahin, swerte. Buenas yung pagkakantahan mo nun. Alam mo, yung pagiging ano naman, yung sinasabi nilang pagiging mahinhin, it's not about, hindi lang naman yan sa movement eh. It's overall package. Kasi diba, hindi, basta, kasi sabi mo hindi ka mahinhin. So, mas mahinhin pa ako sa'yo, ganon. Lamig. Pero, maganda nga yung ganyan eh. At least, kahit saan mo dalhin, pwede.
Came and took it all.
Ang daming daming kalaban dun eh. Sabi ko, bahala sila. Joke na. Di mo nakita yung isang message ko eh. Sayang. Kung nakita mo yun, sayang. Di mo nakita eh.
Don't go, just leave. No, stay with me.
Kasi, yung mga tao dun sa'yo, ewan ko kung nandiyan ka pa. Pero yung mga tao dun sa'yo, parang they will only love you because they're expecting something in return. Parang ganun. Parang, is that right? Diba, if you love, you will love unconditionally. I will love you because I love you. Not because I want you to love me back. But, if you love me back, then, then good. Otherwise, it doesn't matter if you love me back or not. As long as I love you, that's what matters, diba? Kasi dun, kesyo, naku, you need to love me back, ganito, ganyan, kailangan mahal mo din ako, and this and that. Pag hindi, magpapakamatay ako. That's all BS. If you will love, you will love. Magmamahal ka lang without expecting something in return. Ganoon naman, di ba? Kaya nga manliligaw eh, di ba? You will show your love until that person love you back. Pero it goes both ways ha. Kasi di ba? Sabi,
And I lost my control.
hahabulin mo. Oo nga naman, ang babae nga naman hindi dapat humahabol sa lalaki. But
In the movies, but this
hindi naman makakabawa siguro ng pagkababae yun if kung mahal mo talaga, then hindi naman chase, di ba? Pero
bleeding heart.
basta ganun.
Load, don't
Yan, that's what love unconditionally means. Ang mahal